Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're experiencing no sound on Discord, like you can't hear anyone in voice channels or calls, don't worry. This problem is common and usually caused by settings, drivers, or permissions. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your output device in Discord. Go to User Settings, Arrow Voice and Video Arrow Output Device. Make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Also, test the volume slider and make sure it's not muted. Step 2. Check Windows Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, then open Sound Settings. Make sure the correct output device is set as default. Also, check the app-specific volume settings for Discord. Step 3. Restart Discord and your PC. Close Discord completely from Task Manager and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart solves sound issues. Step 4. Run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord icon and select Run as Administrator. This ensures Discord has permission to access your audio devices properly. Step 5. Disable exclusive mode in Windows. Go to Control Panel, Sound Playback, Your Device, Properties, Advanced, and uncheck. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Step 6. Update audio drivers. Go to Device Manager, Arrow Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, and choose Update Driver. Outdated drivers often cause no sound issues. Step 7. Check third-party apps. Some apps, like OBS, Voicemeeter, or other audio tools, can block Discord sound. Close them and test again. Step 8. Reset Discord voice settings. Go to User Settings, Arrow Voice, and Video Arrow Reset Voice Settings, then restart Discord. This fixes misconfigured settings that may cause no sound. Most no sound issues happen because of wrong output device, outdated drivers, or app conflicts. Follow these steps, and your Discord audio should work perfectly again. See you in the next guide.